Hey guys, TCTV here, and I'm unboxing the Gollum LEGO Dimensions Fun Pack. So here's the front of the box, here's the back of the box. Shelob the Great can turn into the 8-legged stalker, and that could turn into the poison slinger. So let's get this open. This is actually the bundle part 4. Gollum is just in a separate bag. The Gollum comes with a fish. Fish on, and here's his toy bag. So here's Gollum. Really cool. Now I'm gonna pause this video and build the Shelob the Great. Okay guys, so here's Gollum, and here's Shelob the Great. This guy's really cool. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.